And how do we improve on the African safari?
Now, women are mostly underrated to get job opportunities in fields of sciences simply because this lucrative sector is dominated by men. Our business team visited one of the largest mineral sites in Kenya and now brings you this inspiring story of a young woman working as the only woman on a mining site. Take a look.
The mining industry is not an easy industry for the women. Most of the women have been underestimated to work in this field, leading to a gender gap as the industry is male-dominated. According to United Nations, women in the extractive industry lack access to resources and a political voice. While the large scale is dominated by men, women make about 40 to 60% of the workforce in small-scale mining. Although this being perceived as a man's field, some of the women have been empowered to pick up careers in this field. The Association of Women in Extractives working to facilitate the works of women in mining across the country.
We are looking to put up our headquarters building so that we mop up women from not just from Kenya but from the region, where they can sit and hold their own forums, exhibit permanently, get training on site so that they are able to learn what is this stone, what is the quality, what's the value of it.
We meet Zaina from Malindi, a 26-year-old who has worked as an employee at Base Titanium mining company in Kwale for 5 years. She started as an attendant in the mining department, juggling general jobs. Zaina, being the only woman in the department, her dedication to the work earned her a promotion to the position of a hydraulic mining unit operator. She works as the only woman operating the hydraulic machines, and her aim is to prove that mining sector is not an industry for men, but also for women.
Kazi zote zinaweza fanywa na wanaume, zinaweza fanywa na wanawake. Sasa pengine kazi yote ikitokea, usiangalie ugumu wa kazi, usiangalie conditions zake. Kwanza ni kuwe na ile courage ya kufanya ile kazi, ndio sasa utaonekana kwa macho ya wale mabosi, na pia kutakuwa na uwezekano mwingi wa kuandika wanawake wengi.
As more women defy the odds to break the glass ceiling to take up more technical jobs, a number of corporates are still lagging behind